The 2025 Honda HR-V offers buyers a value-laden entry-level small crossover with streamlined styling and nimble handling. The HR-V is available in base LX, Sport, and top-rated EXL trims. Riding on a new Honda Global architecture, the HR-V features a multi-link rear suspension for sporty handling and exceptional ride quality on all surfaces. The contemporary design of the HR-V is highlighted by an expressive front fascia with lower air curtain intakes that help channel air through the wheel wells for increased stability and aerodynamic efficiency. The refined cabin of the HR-V includes comfortable seating for 5 passengers and features an uncluttered design with a low instrument panel for easy visibility. Above-market materials include metal honeycomb mesh accents and available leather trim seating. True to its sport utility nature, the HR-V offers just over 55 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. An available 9-inch touchscreen display on the EXL trim includes customizable feature settings and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. A digital instrument cluster display is standard on all trims, while a Qi-compatible wireless phone charger is available. The HR-V is powered by a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, sending 158 horsepower to the front wheels or available real-time all-wheel drive through a continuously variable transmission. Here are the highest and lowest estimates for fuel economy. Standard Honda sensing safety features include a collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation, and lane keep assist. Blind spot monitoring with cross-traffic monitoring is available. The HR-V is backed by a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Reporting on the HR-V, Gear Patrol wrote, "The HR-V delivered surprisingly cushy ride quality for a cheap crossover. Its ride quality and interior make it feel more expensive than it is." The 2025 Honda HR-V belies its entry-level position in the lineup, offering buyers an affordable small crossover with sporty looks and agile performance.